Hey guys, Nick Dabas here with Adorama TV. Today we're checking out a really awesome camera from Panasonic. It's the Box S1H, or called BS1H. Let's check it out. Now let's go over some really important features about this camera that separates it from the S1H. The S1H is an amazing camera and it gives you modes for photography and video. What the Box S1H does, it gives you this box form which allows you to pretty much take down a lot of the weight from the S1H, but still have that 24 megapixel sensor that we love from the S1H. And what's special about the S1H is it's got 14 stops. The really amazing thing with the Box S1H, other than its compact size and box form, they put in a full-size HDMI and an SDI port. The Box S1H has a really compact form. Lightweight, easy to carry around, and you can mount it to many different things like a Ronin RS2, different lightweight tripods, car mounts, you name it, you can put this camera anywhere. And the amazing part about this camera is it retains its image quality from the S1H. I'm really excited to see that Panasonic stuck with this new L-mount system that they brought over from the S1H. Now, what's special about this is Panasonic's constantly making new lenses for this, and it actually expands the variety of lenses that you can choose from, because L-mount is actually a mount that's been out for a while, and you can mount Leica lenses on here, PL mount lenses, or any other existing lenses that you might own. Now, let's go over another feature that this camera is unique. Its dynamic range is incredible. It also features a full list of different codecs and resolutions that you can shoot from, all the way from 6K resolution, anamorphic modes, 4K modes, 1080 modes, and you can even go down to Super 16. So there's not one option that you cannot find and shoot on this camera. So if you have a project, whatever that project is, or if you have an old lens or a brand new lens, you can always mount it on this camera. And that's really awesome because there's nothing being held back when shooting this camera. Now also to remember, Panasonic also doesn't give you limits when you're recording. 2 SD cards slots on the camera, which allows you to do redundant or backup. This BS1H is not limited at all. Now you have a bunch of multifunction buttons, and also you can program this camera to have all your favorite tools like exposure tools, zebra, peaking. So alongside of having 14 plus stops on this camera, you could also load your favorite LUTs that you can make with either your computer or your DIT and load it right into the camera. I believe you can load up to 9 LUTs. Now let's jump into powering options. Now I have a bunch of different options here. They mount right onto the back. It's the same kind of battery as the EVA1. So if you want to stay lightweight and compact, you can using these batteries, or you could jump into something that Anton Bauer and Wooden Camera teamed up to make, either V or gold mount. And they made this really beautiful cage that I'm in love with now. It really is super lightweight, extremely well built, and it mounts right onto the back, and it allows you to mount any sort of V or gold mount that they make. You could also use the micro batteries that they have, which is ultra lightweight. The other option is, which is very universal, and you can use it among a lot of different platforms, which will work with this camera as well if you get a D-tap, is a Titan base. And now I love using this on the Ronin because it takes the weight right off, and that's great with this camera because I can keep it built with this beautiful cage. It's great to see all these accessories are being supported for this camera. Now, the one thing I did notice on this camera is they kept the USB-C port, which is awesome because you can control this camera tethered, and they have the Ethernet port. So you might wonder, where is the audio options on this camera? And Panasonic thought of that, and they made this hot shoe mount that's a multifunction hot shoe mount, and you're able to buy a module that you can plug in phantom power XLR ports. So that about wraps it up, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. This is Nick Dabas with Adorama TV. I'll see you next time. Peace.